Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Square automation with AI for sales reporting. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify Square automation with AI for sales reporting, start by logging into your Square account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the Automation tab. Click on the Automation settings to view your current automation configurations. Check if the sales reporting automation you want to verify is active. If not, enable the automation by toggling the switch to on. Next, gather the sales data you wish to analyze. Export the sales report from Square by selecting the desired date range. Once you have the report, import it into your preferred AI tool for analysis. Choose the AI algorithm or model that suits your reporting needs. Run the analysis on the imported sales data. Wait for the AI tool to process the information and generate insights. Review the generated insights alongside your original sales report. Confirm that the information matches and aligns with your expectations. If discrepancies arise, troubleshoot by reviewing the automation settings in Square. Check for any filters or conditions that might affect the data output. Make adjustments as necessary and rerun the analysis if needed. Once satisfied, document your findings for future reference. This completes the verification process for Square automation with AI for sales reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.